became a rocket man really at a very tender age, like 14 or 15 years old. And the interest developed out of my abiding interest for astronomy. I one day stumbled across a book which said that people build a rocket to fly to the moon. I sent for the book and got me started. And I was a member of the German Society for Space Travel for a number of years as a student. And out of this work came an opportunity to get a grant. There was a lot of money going into rocketry, and as a result of this, I finally had an opportunity to develop my real first big rocket that became later on known as the B-2. Now, at the end of World War II, the American Army showed a great deal of interest in this development work that had gone on there, and gave me and my associates an opportunity to come to the United States. Where in the world would a fellow who came over penniless and virtually with the status of an alien enemy been given an opportunity after so very few years to participate in a responsible position in a program of such national significance as the space program? Given that opportunity, sometimes still sounds incredible to me that this was possible, and I don't know of any other country in the world where you could have expected this sort of thing. Quite a few people seem to believe that we are taking money away from the public purse. We prefer to see our space program in a somewhat different light. We believe that we are actually producing value at a faster rate than we are taking money out of the treasury. Founding fathers felt, and I strongly shared this feeling, that far few people in America and in the world are really aware of the fact of what the space program has done for them already and what its potential is for the future.
The exploration of space is primarily a search for knowledge, and on this basis alone, it is yielding handsome return on our investment. We have learned more about the universe since the space age began than in all previous history. Who can put a price tag on valuable new knowledge about the origin of the moon, the discovery of the Van Allen belts of radiation that encircle the Earth, or the effects of the solar wind upon our weather and environment?
My friends, there was dancing here in the streets of Huntsville when our first satellite orbited the Earth. And there was dancing again when the first Americans went on the moon. I'd like to ask you, don't hang up your dancing slippers.